My place should be somewhere down here, but are you kidding me? There's nothing out here. I don't even know the name of it. Let's find out. Oh, god damn it. It's busy. Let's go over there. I'm sweating freaking bullets while I'm waiting here. Xin chào. 8. Yeah? Okay. Right, come in. Right, come in. And when I got here, it was so busy. Now there's almost nobody here. Well, I'm still in Saigon, but I'm thinking to myself, where's all the traffic? It's empty. I'm not complaining. It's actually a very good thing. Feels liberating, but surprising. I literally just I just left the house, and I'm surprised by how very little traffic there is. Oh, 3 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. All right, all good. There is a little traffic in these small alleys, on these smaller streets, but yeah, it's been pretty easy. Some traffic over here, but this is Bintan district. This is one of the melting pots for food, eating, drinking, all that jazz. So no surprise, there's always gonna be some sort of traffic in Bintan. What is this? What are they carrying? Alright. Ain't got time to investigate. Jump! 3 right, don't cut. Onto the narrow bridge. Keep right. Through the junction. 120. 80 straight. And wide open onto the tarmac. 120. God damn it, it's windy. Holy smokes. Running, jogging right now in this weather, man, that guy must have lost his mind. Insanity, if you ask me. But hey, you do you. I've just realized, because I'm going this way through District 7, or is it District 2? I don't know, whatever. That I think I'm gonna have to do a ferry crossing. I'm gonna have to get on one of those little ferries that cross the river, the main river, and that's gonna be crazy. I've never done it on this bike. This bike is a ferry virgin. I've done it a few times in the past, but that was on my other bike, on the Exciter 155, which was easy. But yeah, this bike's never been on a ferry. So you're telling me I have to do a ferry? I have to load this bike on a ferry? That's gonna be crazy. Yamaha WR on a ferry, never seen before by me. That's gonna be crazy. You crazy! You crazy! Get out! This is Coffee's house. Alright. Good thing is that I have some cash on me, because I don't think you can pay digitally on a ferry. I mean, it's just a small fee. It's literally like 50 cents or something like that. I don't know, 5k VND, 6k. 7 tops. But still, you need to have it. So I have some cash. I made sure I had some cash on me. I mean, if I didn't have it, maybe he would let me pay by the phone. Like, I would transfer the money to his personal account and then he would pay for me. But that would create a congestion. Maybe he would just let me go. Maybe if I said, oh, I didn't know, I forgot my cash, maybe he would just let it slide and let me through. Like the other day, I was in this underground parking and I didn't have any cash on me. And people usually pay cash, you know, in those at those gates, those little gates. And so I was like, oh shit, I ain't got no cash. Like, can I pay by? They actually do have QR payment as well, but their system was down. He said no internet. And I was like, well, real deal Holyfield, what now? And then he tried to fix it, but then he restarted it. But then there were already like 4 or 5 other bikes waiting, and then he was like, just go, don't need to pay, just go. It was only 3,000. So yeah, he just let me go, and he said, just go, you little hoe, don't want to see you again, bitch. And I said, don't worry, you will. Now I said thank you and passed off. I was waiting for the green light to come on, but then I saw this and I was like, I'm gonna sacrifice one waiting period for a little bit of fun. People looked at me like, the fuck is that guy doing? Woo! Alright. Oh, it's so soft. Very soft sand. What do we have here? Could I take a swim in that? I don't even have to go to the beach. I could just literally stay right there. Put a little tent. Put up a little tent. Seems good enough to me. Why would you go to Vung Tau? I'm not going to Vung Tau, by the way, but why would you go to Vung Tau when you have this? Oh shit. I nearly went into that. That wouldn't be very good. Hey, don't mind me, I'm just having fun. "70 seconds? Ain't no way. I'm going back. Let's do another lap around this thing." Whoa. What if I fell? That would be so fucking embarrassing. I could even go up there. Oh, I could get through that, but how's the timer? Oh shit, now they're really staring. It's okay though. I'm just gonna wait. Oh. 20 seconds. These guys are packed up on their little Honda, what is it? Something. Shit, almost stalled it. That happens to you, like, you know, trying to accelerate. Xin chào. We got 10k for you. 10. Come on. Yeah, there's always some stupid. Oh, let me do this first. Come on. These little things will always happen to you. They will always get you. Like trying to accelerate in neutral, just bad shift sometimes, you know, every now and then. And you get stuck in neutral and you go, it's so goofy when it happens. but it does happen. Or maybe only to me, I don't know. Maybe I don't really want to know. The guy's opening the gate. Something's about to go down. Something's about to go down. I see the ferry, and it's looking great. It's looking ready to go. Ready to sail, Captain. Am I supposed to go on the green one or the blue one? I want to go on the green one. It looks too busy. Oh, here we go. Okay, I'll go this way. Go inside of that. Ooh, what the? Oh, I barely fit in here. This is a good spot. Yeah, this is a good spot to be in. Because sometimes when you're in the middle, you have people on both sides, and sometimes they scrape your bike or they bump into you when they a bit careless, and also you got cars over there. But here, yeah, this place is pretty chill. You only got one behind you, one in front of you, so you don't need to worry about much. It is trippy. It's such a weird feeling, although it's not my first time. That's what she said. Oh, this is it. This is it. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. We are officially docking on the other side. Come on. Yeah, I think you will. I genuinely think you will. Provided I come back. Actually, this is another thing I wanted to talk about, because I haven't even mentioned where I'm headed to. And the thing is that I don't know. I genuinely don't know. Like, I know where it is on the map, but that's as much as I know. I don't even know the name of the place. It's just some sort of a random village, because I didn't know where I wanted to go. So I just opened the map inside the website, and I was browsing different areas, and then I found this village. So I was like, alright, let's go there then. I couldn't even find it by the name. So what I did was that I compared the same image from Blue Pillow with Google Maps, and then I just put a pin in the same location approximately. I respect that. I respect that. To be cycling, and that's another one over here. I think they scattered all over, and another one over here. To be doing this in this kind of friggin' heat, I mean, I respect that. That's literally a death wish. I mean, I know they probably well trained and very experienced, because no novice or a rookie in their right mind would do this unless they really want to die. But still, they're only human, right? This is a brand new road. It's a brand new road. I remember just a few months ago when I was here, this was literally just a wasteland. It was just, there was nothing. You could still ride on it, but there was it was just a dirt road. I'm not gonna chase anybody. I'm not gonna race anybody. Just gonna go. I'm just gonna ride at my own pace. Leisure pace, 50-60 kilometers per hour. $25 seconds. Oh, he wants money. I was gonna give him 10k, but He's running away. Alright. Next time. Alright. That's all she wrote. What was it, 120? There you have it. Top speed of a Yamaha WR155. Although, I've got to say, it's really freaking windy. And I'm wearing a chunky backpack. So I think without those two elements against me, it will be, maybe it would have been a teeny tiny bit more, probably like 124, I guess, 123, 124, but still not bad. Yo, what the heck? I see this and I have to go scope it out. This is monumental. What is it? Drifting around here. Let's go around here. It's getting slidey. Look at that, would you? Shit, I thought that was a snake. It's just a log. Interesting. I wonder how deep it is. It looks so brown, a yellowish sort of brown, very odd kind of color, if you ask me. I sort of, I know it's kind of weird, but I kind of want to drink it. You know, just a little, what is that, dragonfly? Just a little sip. Because when I look at that, in my mind, it tastes like chocolate. Or bubble tea. And what do we have here? Oh yeah? You're gonna hit me with that now? Free right, don't cut. Woo. Whoa. What a playground. Onto the tarmac. Sharp one, right? Don't cut. What is that? That's a shelter. Pale shelter. Right, now we're talking. Who lives here? Huh. Very interesting. And there's a temple at the end of that road. Let's go there. I want to see that temple. So it's not here. I don't want to trespass to somebody's backyard. Well, maybe next time. Okay, let's carry on. Industrial type of thing. I love me this kind of stuff. Always, always. There's just something so captivating about it. Look at that. Look at these massive silos. I wish I could just go there and just freely walk around. Something's burning pretty badly. A lot of smoke. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but well, I know it doesn't pick up the smell, but it smells like fire. I want to get a cold drink. I'm looking for the drink now. I'm not even hungry. I mean, I am a little bit hungry, but I don't want to eat for whatever reason. What's this coffee shop? Ooh, this is looking kind of cool. Phew, let's try it. Looking fancy. Alright. Am I recording? Are we rolling? Let me tell you, this place is fancy as hell. Like, they will literally make you do this. Where's my drink? They will make you get to do this yourself. Look at that. They literally make you do this. Well, let me smell it first. Not bad. At least the coffee smells good. Alright, let's try this super fancy stuff. It's alright, normal. Yeah, they literally have their own swimming pool. You see right there. They literally have their own swimming pool in this cafe. And you got 2 elevated terraces. And yeah, it's high society. I needed a place with good sockets, so I need to charge my phone. It's on 30% and dropping, and then I'll be back on the road. Right, watch out, kiddos. USB port, this one right here, on my power bank is like, oh well, it just stopped charging. I'm on 47% right now, so I'm guessing I'll have to do another stop just to charge my phone, because 47% is not going to last all the way to where I'm going. Look at that church. That's looking crazy. I want to go take a quick look at it. Is this the way to get there? It's gotta be. It's gotta be. We got the cows, we got the church, we got the cows in the church. Oh wow. Look at that, would you? I'd like to go inside and maybe have a little walk around, but it would probably take a little while. Oh wow. Oh no, I think that's the main gate over there. This is a very interesting section. It's kind of different. Through the forest. Hey, somebody shouted at me. I don't even know who. I didn't see them. Oh, hold on. Is that the ocean? So I've made it to the coast, just like that. Just like that. Amazing. Still nothing, still searching. Oh, what was that place? See, it was like one of those units, and that's the ocean right over there. Ooh, that makes me feel good, knowing I'm just nearby. Look at those sand dunes. There's like a whole desert out there. Yeah, it's something. Let's just park right here. Xin chào. You have a cafe? You get the best type of experience in this kind of place. I'm starting to be very convinced of that. Although there's usually a language barrier, but I will take that over. If you go to a fancier place, one thing I really friggin' like, if you take longer than 10 seconds to choose your drink, they try to put pressure on you, like, oh, let me recommend this, let me recommend that, you should try this, this is our best seller. I mean, just just let me think, you know what I mean, just let me take my time with it. I always say, like, give me a minute, but they still won't. They will still try to push me, like, oh, by the way, this is a new one, this is a new addition to our menu. I don't give a shit. I don't even know what the shit is to give it. So don't try that tactic on me. I'm gonna take 10 minutes. I'm gonna take 10 friggin' minutes to choose my drink. And then I choose nothing and just leave. Yeah, usually when they try to sell you a bestseller, don't go for that. It's usually shit, or maybe it just doesn't sell, so they try to push it. Like, they told by the management, okay, we need to sell out these because they're not going out. But if you come to a place like that, I mean, look at that, look at that. Let me do a little 360. You see that? Amazing. Nothing short of amazing. You got the moon. The moon's up. It's a full moon. God damn it! That's why I've been feeling so weird lately. That's why I couldn't sleep well. Oh, and I got these weird looking apples. What is that? How can I not know what this is? I don't know what that is. What's that? Guava? I think it's guava. So you're probably supposed to dip it in this weird looking thing. Let's take it for a spin. So, whoa, that almost hit me in the head. Apparently I have found a solution to my charging problem. Basically, yeah, it is a clumsy one and it's borderline retarded, but it works. So what I'm doing right now, I connected my phone to my tablet, which is in my backpack, and it seems to be working. It's charging rather slow, but it's working. It went from 33 to 36. But one very curious thing, I don't know if it's completely random or I don't know what's the trick to it, but at first when I plugged it in, my phone was actually charging my tablet, and then I unplugged it, plugged it back in, same thing, the tablet started charging my phone. So I really don't know how does that work, if it's that random, but yeah, it is being charged right now, 37%, so it's going up, all good. I always say this repeatedly, but this is the absolutely best time to be riding. At this hour, 5-6-ish o'clock, the vibes absolutely unmatched, immaculate. The weather, what's that girl doing? The weather's perfect. Yo, the weather is absolutely perfect. You know, it's slightly chilly because we are not in the city. Back in the city it's freaking hot. In the countryside it's not like that. You actually get a significant temperature drop once the sun goes down, and it's just perfect right now. I'm almost getting sentimental. So freaking good. The road is a vibe. Everything's a vibe. Very little traffic. I am riding by the coast. I mean, I can't see the ocean because there's this tree line and something's burning up. Wow, that hit me in the nose. And there's this tree line between me and the actual coast. But yeah, it's over there. It's on the same side with the same. It's on the same side with the moon. I have the road to myself. I could literally put my feet up right now. and it's sick. What can I say? I have a little situation going on. There's like 2 cars behind me and a couple of trucks in front of me, and I'm not feeling comfortable. I'm not feeling comfortable in this place. I'm feeling kind of squeezed in, especially with these boxy things. They really sketch me out, and especially when they drive like that. I mean, where you rushing? You in a freaking box on wheels. Take your time. Maybe I'm just gonna follow this guy. He's too slow. I'll probably follow the car. Because the thing with those boxes is that they literally razor blades. So once you hit that, if he swerves or brake checks you, you're done. It's gonna cut you open if you hit that. So my philosophy, if you can pass that thing, pass that thing. If not, stay away. Keep a gap. Keep safe distance. Just don't stay close to it. I should be very close now. Just gonna cut it through this town. Across the bridge, narrow. Don't cut. That's a lot of boats. Damn it. Oh, I really need to get ahead of this thing. Right. This road is crazy. There's absolutely no lights. Nothing. It's completely pitch black. It feels trippy. Gotta be careful not to hit something. Yeah, like right now, I can't even see where I'm going. It's pitch black, complete darkness, apart from the moon. My place should be somewhere down here, but are you kidding me? There's nothing out here. I don't even know the name of it. Let's find out. Could it be... No, this is a house. This is somebody's house. Well, I don't know. Good luck to me. As expected, I can't find a place, so I'm just trying to deal with it somehow. I'm going to try to message the homestay and see if we can figure it out. I went to that alley or whatever that is, but there's literally nothing that looks like the pictures. So apparently it's in a completely different location than what the app was showing me, and I'm going there right now, so fingers crossed. Found it. That's it. This seems to be the right place.